Whoa, whoa, whoa. Before we get to that, the bike was registered, but I wasn't on the road yet. Let's start there first.
Take the bike off, take the actual motorcycle test. Once again, Dylan, I got excited. I wasn't trying to say I had a motorcycle license. That was my bad.
We are in city mode. Oh, dude, I'm so pumped. The test was the easiest thing on the planet. She didn't have any room to do most of the tests, so we did a figure eight without putting my feet down. And like a stop and use turn signals type of thing. I'm going to put her in party mode because I don't want to. This is a very busy road, and it has the highest speed on any road in town. Dude, this is amazing! I've waited so long for this! Oh, my wife is behind me because this is my first trip in town on the road, and I left her at the light. She's going to be very, very frustrated, but I'm doing okay. Oh, I've dreamed of having a motorcycle since I was a kid. I just know I can't operate on one very well because I will go the speed limit I'm not supposed to, and I will die. With that being said, this thing only goes 70. Like, let's fucking go, dude. It's just different, dude. You can feel the heat. You can feel everything about what's going on right now. Every few hundred feet, there's a slight difference in smell, in temperature, and everything, and it's amazing. Love it. Also, the ability to just skirt off on these hoes is exceptional. Boom, 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 boom. But yeah, I got my license today, dude. I'm pumped. I'm your boy's legal. No blinker head ass. No blinker head ass. This is where we can get the real crispy photos of this bike. We can really show her off the way she was meant to be shown off. This is where I think this bike excels. Off of the dirt track, I think a bike excels in an area like this. Downtown, I just commuted across town. I mean, it works totally fine. I haven't lost a single battery bar yet, so it's not like I'm losing out on anything currently. I think you would find it more fun. Like, just more enjoyable. Are in dirty mode. It's full on 70 miles per hour. It's gonna do what it's gonna do here in town. Oh, you got a little drum on the motorcycle? That's kind of sick, actually. But I will say the best thing about this bike is, although it is electric, factually, it's electric. It's not overly complicated. There's not a CarPlay in here. I don't have 15 things that can go wrong. I don't have, I don't have ABS. ABS would be probably cool to add to it in the future because it seems like it's probably more of a software thing they can do. But ABS, traction control, they can add, maybe if he added that to the bike, I think that'd be cool. But that's just like, that's extra stuff to be honest, I think Stark just put out the update that allows whatchamacallit. Well, I can't think of the word. What the fuck? Oh, fuck. Fuck! That hole, dude. That hole was from the devil. Jeez. Oh, left on radar after stop. Your boy don't read none. I was just gonna sit there for 12 years, dude. What the fuck? So this is our downtown area. This is just a bullshit ass church that grew way too big. They actually, believe it or not, this building and that building down there were one church. They fractured and became two different churches, and they fought over the land and court and all kinds of stuff ensued. But you know what God said: land rights and ownership and all that. He didn't, but it is what it is. Oh, that's a policeman. That's a policeman right there. I don't want to fuck with the police. Don't turn, police. Don't turn, police. Don't turn, police. I'm very stressed about this, guys. Ooh, what kind of architecture is this, sir? I've never been back in these back alleys. My truck's just annoyingly large. Ooh, code enforcement. I wonder who he's bothering today. Is that where they're all parked? Ooh. Found the snitches, y'all. I can't ride in this lane actually now since it's just straight up a motorcycle. So we're designated to the road only, y'all. Which street has the police on it? I think it's the next road over. That's the biggest flex on the planet. Why did I stop? Why did I lean out like that? I don't know. But what they doing here? This is where the radio groups and stuff are. Like, this is how small my big town is. Yeah, there's 100,000 people here by all means, but it's just not big. Like, this is what we call our downtown area. You know what? Is this one? I don't know if this is one way. Yo, is that a flock camera? No, it's just a normal police camera. I'm down with those. Those make sense. It's the flock fuckers that don't. What? A secret food truck? What? You just discovered so much on a motorcycle, dude. I gotta go home and feed my family, or else I fucking go eat. Next day off, though, we're gonna go back here. We're eating. I'm still not confident enough. Ooh, and we can see like the old houses and shit, man. What's up? These houses are beautiful. Fuck. I'm so poor, man. These houses look great. I'll never live in one, but damn, they look fire. Some of them. Like there's Tudor style homes over in this area. A lot of the old Jonesboro is here. We'll pull over here. Another cool thing you can do on a motorcycle. I can just go in anywhere. I can shoot in, do what the fuck I want. This is amazing. This is what freedom is, ladies and gents. This is what freedom is. And I don't even have like a crazy sports bike. I will admit, guys, I don't think this bike replaces motorcycles, and I don't think that's what his goal was. It's a simple answer to someone who wants to get into motorcycles. 70 miles, very obtainable. You want your wife to start riding, or maybe you want to start riding and you don't want to die on something because you bought something that goes 140. I mean, this is really your answer. And with affordable as it is, I know 5,700 to 6,500 is still expensive to a lot of people's mind for a bike, but for an electric motorcycle, you're looking at $14,000 to $45,000, and those $45,000 ones sold for a little bit, and then mysteriously they found a way to sell them for $20,000. But even then, you get $20,000. You get 120 miles of range with it, which is about 50 more than this. But it's $20,000. You could buy 3 of these for that price. You, your wife, and your kiddo could all have a fucking bike. You, your wife, and your homie, anything. You could do that. And like at the end of the day, I'm not out here to go 1,000 miles per hour. I'm out here to have fun, cruise around, and just freedom. Oh, that's a pretty house. I like that. It's like you get to be so much more expressive on a bike too. Like it's not even just like, wait, is this? I wonder if this is a ticket. I bet this is a ticket doing no hands. I mean, I'm not going that fast, but I guarantee you. I just saw the top of the car and went police. It's not. Okay, so to be clear, if you guys see videos of police officers smacking someone off the fucking road or causing their car to crash, it is one of 3 places typically. It is California Highway Patrol, California. It is Georgia State Police, Georgia. And it is Arkansas State Police. We have very specific pit maneuver laws. And so you can't do certain maneuvers, but you can very easily do a pit maneuver. You don't have to, like, it's not like, hey, we got to call these people. What are you doing? They're like, hey, can I do it? And they just go, yeah. Like, we got a guy who's famous for just pitting as many people as he can. And dude just goes at it. Let's see, boys. How does an electric motorcycle do? God, the wind like fucking throws your neck sideways. This is insane!
After getting a motorcycle registered, passing my license test, surviving my first ride in peak traffic, and taking an electric motorcycle onto the interstate for the first time, I celebrated the most glamorous way possible. I stopped at Dollar General and bought a Coke.
My hair nothing. I didn't trim my face, jack shit off. Yo, is that a power line? No, maybe I shouldn't go this way. Maybe I shouldn't go this way. I used to go there for fucking Boy Scouts, dude. You know what? I don't see anything dangling off of it. I see tire marks, so I'm using them. Be like a fucking ditch or something coming up. This used to all be flat, and they literally just brought in a cartoonish amount of dirt. And I mean, when I say flat, that parking lot was on a mound. It was up in the air initially. Now it is lower than everything else, which is just crazy. Like, I went to Boy Scouts here, dude. I'm talking like 5 to 8 feet of dirt in this whole field. Supposed to put a store here because Dollar General's right there, and then nothing ever came of it. That's why I didn't want to speed through this bitch. Wow, that rut, dude, that rut almost fucking had me. I thought that was just a big ass hill, bruh. Usually I'm a few minutes from my house. If I fuck up, I can walk. Like, worst case scenario. Like, see, this is the tomfoolery I'm talking about. You get to go on the road, then you have to go out here. You don't get to, but you do. But you do anyways, don't you? Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about being me right now. I'm not gonna lie. This bike is bringing it out of me. I'm going backwards, dude. I'm going back to the me I used to be on this bitch. This is the freedom I've been needing. Why is the fucking high beams on? I'm going the same speed I go in my truck. I'm going slower, actually. And I'm just having so much fun. Aerodynamicism! Bum, 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 bum!
This wasn't the smoothest path to my first legal ride, but that made it better. The Terra Prime went from a bike I wasn't sure I'd ever receive to the motorcycle that pushed me to finally get licensed. And after this first ride, I can honestly say it feels like this is exactly what it was built for.